I was very embarrassed not having all my teeth. So once I felt very confident. My name's Barbara, and I live in Concord, and I've had a fight most of my life with my teeth. They have always had cavities, and I brush and all that. And I finally, the last time I went to my dentist, he said, you need implants done. And so I started looking in the phone book, trying to decide who to go to, and I found Dr. Office. They were very friendly, very helpful. They took x-rays. They said, yes, you need implants. They went through even payment plans. I did go to a few other offices to check out competition and prices and stuff, and I really was impressed with Dion's, the dental plan there and everything. I ended up going there. Everybody's super friendly there, very clean. I was a nervous wreck the day I had to have the implants done. Treated really well. It's just painful, but he did a great job. I'm happy with everything. Any problems I've had, they've fixed right away. I had a major problem last year where a screw broke, and I had to go to the San Francisco office, and saying very polite, got it me in and out. I was very happy. When I got the implants done, it was the day I had my teeth pulled out, and they replaced it with implants, and I got to go home with teeth. I was warned not to chew much and stuff because it takes like 6 months for you to get the permanent ones. That was a little challenging, but anytime I broke something, they told me to come right in and they fixed it. The office atmosphere is very good and very helpful. I decided to go with Dr. Samadian because the professionalness of his office, the people, they answered everything I needed. Even though I felt like I was bugging them, they were like, you're doing, just ask whatever you want. I just felt comfortable there. And they have a dentist in the one office I went to in Orinda, and he even did some other work that I hadn't planned to do. But it was very good atmosphere. I was very embarrassed not having all my teeth. I had partials and things like that, and they're uncomfortable. They hurt at times and stuff. So once I felt very confident. I could eat, and I could smile, laugh, and nobody would see empty spots. I was very pleased with the outcome. I do smile better and more often now. I'm not trying to close my mouth and not smile. A big difference. You feel more confident. Well, there's nothing embarrassing in your mouth anymore. I don't think you can stop being nervous about a procedure where you're having a lot of teeth pulled out. I would say that it ends up really well. The pain, it's there, but after 3 days, it's lessened and it keeps getting less. And you just kind of know that you're going to come up with something better. You're going to be happier. And it feels like your teeth, feel like you have fake teeth. I did walk out with teeth, the temporary teeth, and I was able to go to most places. There was times that it would break, but like I said before, you go right back in and they fix it right away. There's no hesitation. Just have to be careful.